O soul, what then desirest thou? All that I wish is but see thee. What fears can yet assail thee now? All that I fear is but lose thee. Love's whole possession I entreat. Lord, make my soul thine own abode, and I will build a nest so sweet, it may not be too poor for God. A soul in God, even from sin and from sin. What more desires for thee and all on flame with love love on and turn to love again. Turn to love again. Amor.